Deep pore nose blackhead cleanup satisfying extraction. The nose never lies. If you've ever looked closely in the mirror, you've probably noticed that your nose tells the truth about your skin. It doesn't matter how expensive your skincare routine is or how carefully you wash your face every morning. The nose is usually the first place where oil begins to collect. Throughout the day, tiny amounts of sebum travel through hundreds of microscopic pores. Most of the time that process is completely normal. But when oil mixes with dead skin cells, dust, and everyday impurities, those tiny pores slowly become blocked. The result? Blackheads. Not overnight, not in a week, but little by little, day after day, until the skin begins to look rougher and the pores become more visible. Today's deep pore nose blackhead cleanup isn't about creating perfect skin. It's about giving every clogged pore a chance to breathe again. At the beginning of the treatment, the nose doesn't look dramatic from a normal distance. But the moment the magnifying light switches on, everything changes. What looked like smooth skin suddenly reveals hundreds of tiny details. Some pores contain fresh oil, others are packed with stubborn blackheads that have been sitting there for months. The closer you look, the more you realize that every pore is different. Some need only a gentle touch. Others require patience, precision, and careful extraction. That is what makes deep blackhead removal so satisfying. No two extractions are ever exactly the same. The first extraction always feels different. There is a brief pause. The tool is carefully positioned, gentle pressure is applied. Then, the first blackhead slowly begins to move. Instead of forcing the skin, the extraction follows the natural shape of the pore. One small blockage releases, leaving behind a pore that instantly appears cleaner. That single moment changes everything, because once the first pore is clear, the journey has officially begun. As the treatment continues, something interesting happens. The skin starts responding. Areas that looked uneven only a few minutes ago begin appearing smoother. The tiny shadows created by clogged pores slowly disappear. Even before the entire nose has been cleaned, the difference becomes easy to notice. This is why professional deep pore cleaning isn't just about removing blackheads. It's about restoring the natural appearance of the skin without trying to change what makes it human. Real skin has pores. Real skin produces oil. Healthy skin is not poreless. Healthy skin is clean. The most satisfying part doesn't always come from the biggest blackhead. Sometimes it's the smallest pores that create the biggest visual difference. Tiny blackheads disappear one after another. The skin begins reflecting light more evenly. The nose no longer looks dull or congested. Instead, it starts looking refreshed. Not because filters were added. Not because makeup covered the skin. Simply because every pore received the attention it needed. By the end of the session, the transformation speaks for itself. The blackheads are gone. The deep pore cleaning is complete. The nose appears smoother, cleaner, and naturally refreshed. But perhaps the most important result isn't what you see. It's what the skin feels like. Less congestion, less buildup, more comfort. Every cleaned pore is a reminder that healthy-looking skin isn't created in one moment. It's created through consistent care, patience, and attention to detail. If you enjoy realistic deep pore nose blackhead cleanup videos and satisfying extractions, subscribe for more authentic skincare transformations, professional blackhead removal, and close-up pore cleaning sessions.